Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And, we're talking about Windows 11. We talk about how Microsoft doesn't cooperate that well recently. And actually, Microsoft is, users are kind of finding Microsoft to be, maybe not up to what they would think of such a big company that should, probably be a better citizen, if we want. One of the things that happens is a lot of people are complaining of certain specific things in Windows, and Windows 11 included, and there might be something changing. One of the first things is Microsoft said that they would fix the default apps, that it's so complicated, but in effect, it's crazy because they seem to be making it worse rather than really fixing it. But we'll see over time what's going to happen with that, with the default apps, making it way so complicated to have your favorite apps as defaults. Microsoft did issue a statement saying that they would actually work hard to make Windows 11 better, and that they would listen to the feedback of everybody of what they like, they don't like. And one of the things they are focusing on is not only bringing features and fixing features that users find kind of broken, but also make Windows 11 even more efficient through 2022. So basically, in that statement, what Microsoft says, let's be patient. In 2022, there's going to be some major updates. Probably they're talking about the next major feature update of Windows 11 that will be next year in the second half of 2022. And with a lot of promises, and that's the big problem with Microsoft. It happens often that they talk about something, they say something, then you get the final product, and you're like, well, where are these features that you talked about? They're not here. And sometimes Microsoft says, oh, well, they'll be here later. Sometimes they just almost don't want to admit that they said that something would come. And it's like, yeah, you did say it. I mean, come on. Don't pretend you're not, you didn't talk about a feature when you did, and it's not there. So I think Microsoft is, Microsoft is starting to realize that it looks more like a big joke than anything else right now in the way that it's treating its users and the way that it's dealing with, all of what they promise and they talk about that come or not. There's no shame in saying we couldn't have this feature ready in time. It will eventually come. I don't see a problem with that. It can happen. Where I see a problem is when there's like, well, we didn't really promise that feature. Yeah, you did. Or they just kind of say, well, that's what we said, and that's what it's all about. And you're like, well, that's not what I understood. That's not what everybody understood about what you said. So it's not always easy. And I think Microsoft maybe in 2022 could be realizing that, look, we got to change our image because people are starting to find that we're a big joke, and that maybe something needs to be done to help and make sure that everything is going to be, better, and everything is going to be, they're going to be listening to users, hopefully. They need to. There's, I like Windows 11. It's not that I don't like it, but definitely listen to the feedback and help change certain things, because there are some complaints and there are some things that people don't like. And hopefully they'll listen to us a little more next year. And not just to Windows 11. Even though they are focusing on Windows 11, it's obvious. Focus a little on Windows 10 also. I hope Microsoft does also listen to some of the users on Windows 10 saying, yeah, maybe this or that we should fix or change, or, But let's hope for the best, because right now Microsoft, I think with the launch of Windows 11, has shown itself as being really, literally a big joke and a company that obviously just did what it wanted and pushed the product and didn't really care about its users, and it's getting more and more obvious. So let's hope that changes in 2022. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.